Hello guys, welcome to CodeRuck. Hope you are doing great. Once again, welcome to React.js Complete Series. In today's video, we will discuss and learn about how you can implement event handlers in your React application. As we know, if you are building any application, no matter if it is on React or if it is on any other platform, then we need to work on events, because events can be of many types. Just like I have noted down some events like on click, on focus, on blur, on submit. So it depends upon which functionality you are implementing. So depending upon that one, you have to implement those events. Now in case of React, it is bit different, as you are handling in normal HTML, or we can say JS, JavaScript. So it is bit different, but overall concept remains same. Once you click an event will get triggered, and based on what event you are triggering, you can have the response, you can have the data, and whatever argument you are passing, you can have that in your method. Now at first we will see how you can work with event handler in React. Now you can see I have one React application, clean React application, and it is up and running. Now at first, what I'm going to do, I will create one event. So event can be const, I will name it like print name. So this is my event name, and what am I going to do, I will console.log hello React click. So this is the output that I'm going to print in console. Now what am I going to do, I will take a button, and after that I will write click here. Now as I have taken a function, then I need to pass, or I can say I have created one event, then I am going to use on click event handler. Now what I will do, in case of JS, what we do on click, and then we do in this way. After that we pass opening closing parenthesis, but this is not how you gonna implement in React. In order to work with React, what we do, we have to pass at JSX like in this way. Now if I run this one, and if I just open the console part, now if I click here, now you will have the console.log output. Okay, but you must be wondering why we haven't given opening closing parenthesis. It is because if we add opening closing parenthesis, it will get executed when it is passed. So that means once our application get passed, it will get executed at the same moment, and now if we gonna trigger that one, it will not work. So that's why we remove those ones, and this is the use case, and we can say this is the feature. That's how we have to implement the any React event handling part. Now same, if you run this one, this is how it works. Now you must be wondering, if you have to pass any data, or we can say if you have to pass any argument, how you gonna pass to your method. Now for that one, what we gonna do, at first we'll do opening closing parenthesis, and then we'll write our method name, or we can say function name, and then we can pass data like this is argument data, that message or text I'm passing to my method, that is print name, and then we have to grab that data. So I will write data, and same I will do the console.log. Okay, now if I run this one and if I click, you can see you are getting your expected output. So that's how you have to pass data, or we can say augment data, to your function or method in React application. And this is two different way by which you can work with event handling part in React application. So that's how you have to work with this one. So the first method was, if you don't want to pass any data, then you normally have to pass that one. That means like if you have to pass like button on click, so this is the first way. If you don't want to pass any data, then you can follow this way. But if you have some data, then for that one you have to follow the different way, that is click, and this is JSX part, and then our method name, and then my data, and then click, and I will close this one. That means there's two different way. If you don't have any data, then you can use the first way, and if you want to pass any data, then you can use this second way. And so that's all. That's how you can pass data to your React application, or you can work with event handling part in React application. So that's all in today's video. Now in next video we will learn about other topics. So that's all. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.